Namaste. My name is Partha Majumdar. I am a student of Masters in Indian Oral Systems from Bhishma School of Indic Studies. This video is my submission for the oral assignment for the paper MI14. My topic is the theory of sound based on the insights from ancient Indian arts and philosophy. In Indian thoughts, the sound was never seen as just a physical vibration. It was understood as a cosmic principle that connects the universe, human life, and spiritual experience. The Upanishads describe sound as a manifestation of conscious energy or the Brahman. From Brahman arises Akasha, that is space, whose essence is a word, or Shabda. From Akasha arises Vayu, air, whose essence is movement. Together, sound and rhythm becomes an essential feature of the universe. This is why ancient Indian texts often describe the creation itself as beginning with sound. Sound and rhythm were understood as the first manifestation of Brahman. They reflect the three eternal qualities of Brahman. There is Sat, there is existence, Chit, there is consciousness, and Ananda, bliss, there is Sat Chit Ananda. This cosmic relation is often described as the music of the spheres, suggesting that the entire universe vibrates with a rhythm and sound. The great grammarian Bhartrhari explained that speech, or Vani, is what binds the universe. Without words, knowledge and communication would be impossible. He argued that words and meanings are inseparable, like parents. One cannot exist without the other. This highlights the creative and unifying power of sound. In Indian linguistics, words are seen as twofold: transitory words, which are heard and then forgotten, and eternal words called Sphota. The Sphota is the unmanifested essence of word, distinct from Vani or audible sound. It is Sphota that conveys meaning even when unspoken. Hence the idea of Shabda Brahman, the ultimate reality expressed as sound. Sound is also classified into four levels. First is para, inaudible, beyond intellect, realized only through yoga. Second is Pashyanti, sound perceived by the mind but not yet externalized. Third is Madhyama, sound that is audible inwardly to the mind. And fourth is Vaikhari, the fully expressed sound heard through the throat and the speech. This layered understanding shows how sound flows from the subtle to the gross. In Indian tradition, sound is seen as divine in origin. It is associated with Goddess Sarasvati, the deity of speech and learning. The Gandharvas said to have gifted humanity the systematic study of music called Gandharva Vidya. And above all, the first and most sacred sound is Om, known as Nath Brahma, the primal vibration from which creation unfolds. Indian music is built upon 7 notes or Saptaka. These notes evolved from the vibrations of prana-vayu, the vital air within us. They are produced through the interaction of nose, throat, chest, palate, tongue, and teeth. The 7 notes are Shadja or Sa, Rishabha, Re, Gandhara, Ga, Madhyama, Ma, Panchama, Pa, Dvaita, Dha, and Nishadha, Ni. These notes form the foundation of melody, rhythm, and expression. To conclude, the theory of sound in Indian tradition is not just about acoustics. It is about the unity of cosmos, language, and music. Sound is understood as both physical vibration and spiritual essence. That is why Indian philosophy equates the Shabda or sound with the Brahman, the ultimate reality. Namaskar.